Today I'm looking at an item that the company did send me and did compensate me to make a review on, and this is a heavy-duty fire extinguisher mount. Very, very important. This is a light up to 5 pounds for your fire extinguisher. This is designed to hook in the mount in your car or your truck. It's mini, it's small, it's compact, and it's made out of metal. It's got bumpers in here so it won't bang and make noise when it's mounted in. It's got the adjustments right here so you can adjust everything when you lock it into place. What's good about this one here, it's got the quick release. I like that a lot. So when you need a call for action, you just actually pop it right open and it unlocks it right away, and that's super important. Again, really high quality made metal. I like that a lot. I like the quick release. I like that. It's got a screw bolt here so you can adjust it, so you can adjust the tension depending on the size of the fire extinguisher. Again, all high quality metal here. Again, for the small, medium size fire extinguishers. Again, this is super important, especially for home, work. If you're in the car, or if you are in light industrial, something small and compact, you need to have a safety mount to access your fire extinguisher extremely quickly, and that's what this is for. So I like the way it's designed. You just have to mount it with your own screws, mount it any way you want, fire as in the home. Again, made out of metal. You can mount this on the car, you can mount this on your RV, on your boat. Doesn't really matter. Fire extinguishers are super important today and have easy access, and quick release is really the key. Once it's locked in, it's not going to go anywhere, but once you need it to release, you just basically pull this open, it releases it, and you have access to your fire extinguisher right away. So I'm definitely going to go ahead and recommend this. Again, all high quality metal. It's got the bumpers on it right here. That way, if any issues, it won't rattle. You know, you don't want that rattling if it's in your vehicle or in your car, or if you're running a machinery at all, you don't want that to happen. This is what you need to work perfectly. Super easy to use and very convenient. Small, compact, again, made out of metal. So I'm definitely going to go ahead and recommend this. It feels and the quality, it's all metal construction. It's going to work for those fire extinguishers, and that's the main thing, and that's why you're watching it. It's all welded on the side here. It's got all the welding, so it's not going to go anywhere. It's super sturdy. And like I said, I'm going to go ahead and definitely recommend this for sure. I brought you some value. Don't forget to follow the channel for more videos like this here. I want to help you, educate you, and motivate you to make decisions on purchasing items just like this. So thanks so much for sending it over. I think it's super important, something that everybody should have in their vehicle, in their home, in their car. Industrial, doesn't matter. This is the one for you. Thanks for watching. Make it a great day.